Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing the booth and verifying darkness. This matters because residual light fogs film. Once dark, turn on the correct safe light and lay out chemicals left to right for workflow. Next, load trays with developer, stop, and fixer at recommended temperatures. Set your timer and thermometer to track times. Make sure film is dry enough to handle before trimming. You now have the first workable setup. Proceed to the processing steps without opening the door. You pour developer gently to avoid bubbles because uneven agitation creates streaks. Once poured, start your timer and follow the agitation schedule. Brief inversions prevent uneven development while avoiding excess fog. After development, drain and move film to stop bath immediately to halt chemistry. Rinse quickly, then into fixer for the exact fixer time. Make sure each transfer is smooth and consistent. Rinse trays between chemicals when possible. Keep a running log of times and temperatures for repeatable results. You finish by washing film thoroughly. Once done, use running water for the recommended 5–10 minutes to remove residual fixer, because fixer left behind will degrade images. Then hang negatives by the edges and let them dry in a dust-free zone. Use weighted clips to prevent curling. Once dry, inspect for streaks, uneven density, or spots. If problems appear, check your recorded times, temperatures, and safe light integrity. A single troubleshooting tip. If fogging occurs, recheck booth light leaks and safe light wavelength immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.